Jamaican, living in Jamaica, you're growing up, you hear about slavery, you hear about racism. Well, I can only talk for myself. I don't experience the racism in Jamaica. When I see people come into Jamaica, like white people come into Jamaica, they come there, they show us nothing but love in Jamaica. Especially in my community, when they come to my community, like we show them the falls, the fruits, the this, we chat, we laugh, we enjoy ourselves, like we enjoy each other company. And there is no form of racialism like towards them or towards me or towards anyone. But when I come to the UK now, that's when I start to actually see and experience the racialism, the speciality, the everything, like in favor of certain people. Like certain people have opportunity to do certain things and certain people don't. Like the first time I actually witnessed it was I was on a working site as a Jamaican and black youth. Like, yeah, a lot of people, they like the Jamaican because we calm, we easy, we relax, then we talk to us. But when I'm on the site and I'm working, like things that they give me to do and things that they give the other guy to do is like they put the other guy in control of the situation. And both of us, basically, we're both same laborers. We have the same experience towards the job, but you have the preference. But me, I was just there working. Like, it wasn't like a problem to me. I was just there making the money because, as I say, in Jamaica, it wasn't nothing to me. It wasn't nothing to me. And then I got to another job. And when I got to another job now, I meet this guy, this English black youth. Like, yeah, we click straight away. We start to chat. We start to hang out. We go party. We go a couple places. And then when we go to one party. And then when we go to a party, it's like, vibes was nice. Everything was good. Boom, bam. Yeah, we leave the party. So the next day, we're at the job. And I mentioned to him, I say, oh, yeah, I meet this girl, I meet this white girl. And she have a friend and they want to go out next week. And he was like, no, I'm not doing that. I'm not with that. Like, I don't date white girl. Like, I can't afford for my black queens, them to see me with white girl and thing. I was like, yo, what's that about? Like, why? Like, it's no class or nothing. It's just woman, innit? Like, why you pre anything like that? But I live here. I've been living here now nearly 9 years now. And I hear everybody experience towards this racialism thing. So what I'm trying to say is, like, if a black youth or a black girl in England or America or Canada or wherever you is overseas and you grew up experiencing the racialism, well, you're at school, you get mocked, you're at parties, you get mocked, you don't get invited to certain parties, you don't get opportunity to do certain things as a school, as a youth growing up, like, and you're growing up with that, you're gonna grow up with that hatred for that person or that farm or that race of people, like, that bring that down on you. When you see one set of people enjoying themselves and then you can't get to enjoy yourself because of your skin color, you're going to feel a way. You're going to grow with a hatred for that other color. So, I totally understand where most of the people them coming from, especially with the racism, where them growing up. But what I'm saying is, like, you experience it and that's fine. You see what I'm saying? So you grow up with that hatred. Me no experience it. Another Jamaican might not experience it. An African might not experience it. So if we come to this country as, normal human beings, same way, we know about slave trade and everything. Like, we can't live back in the past, innit? We have to live in the future. We have to live going forward. So if we come here as a Jamaican or a African or a Caribbean, and we feel like, so you know what, we want to date a white girl or a black girl or a mixed race or whatever girl we want to date. It should be alright for us to do whatever we want without people sitting on the other side saying, oh, why you dealing with a white girl? Why you dealing with this? You know, see the slave trade, you know, this, you know, that. Like, we not experience all of that. The people them will experience all the slave trade and all of that, them pass on and them gone. If we continues to live in the past, then we not go reach in the future. We have to put the past behind us. At the end of the day, we have to know where we're coming from. Because if we don't know where we're coming from, there's nowhere we're going. You see me? All I'm trying to say is like, when we cut each other, it's just one blood running out of our skin. It's red. That's the color that we see. But in reality, all of us is blue blood running through us. We are all the same. We all dead. We all eat food. We all drink. We piss. We shit. We do everything to the same. The same we do it. So why this separation thing? Like when me there on my TikTok live, I'm on my TikTok live and loads of people come in my live and yeah, loads of girl and man come in the live and yeah, we have loads of people vibes in, yeah, they might be white or black or whatever, but then you have the odd few too come in and, oh, the white girl, them just want mad over here, the white girl, them just want this, the white girl, them just, it's not about color. The vibes is nice, we playing nice music, good vibes, everything nice, people are coming, people are chat, yeah. So I'm saying like, it gets frustrating, and look at nobody willing to actually sit and talk about it like a black youth or a white youth, like, because the thing is, you know, we in Jamaica, yeah, we grew up, as me say, we don't have nothing against white people more than we know. Say, you know what, back in the days, Jamaica, slavery, we get captured, we ruled by slave, everything. You see what I say? Nanny come and nanny and this and the thing them free up. You see what I say? Free up, we fight and we win the fight. We as Jamaican, we know say, yo, we fight a fight and we win a fight and then them sign a peace treaty. So them move certain things at Jamaica. You see me? So we know that. So we grew up with that winning mentality. No, say, yeah, you know what? Even though we was a slave, we win. We win peace fight. We win a segment. You see what I say? We win the last half because peace treaty have to sign. So we grew up now with that winning mentality, that happy vibes, that loving, calming mentality will come over here. Like in a Jamaica, when you come to England or America or Canada, you come here with an intention, say, you know what, I'm coming here to actually make some money and set up a nice little foundation back at Jamaica. But yeah, most of us, we come here and we get caught up in the system so much that we forget about even going back to Jamaica, because we start to have kids and kids them are the future, so you have to be here for your kids. Them is like the Jamaica plan cancel now, or the Africa plan going back home cancel, or put on hold for certain things because your kids them bad. But yeah, guys, like as I said, like everybody entitled to them own opinion, and when we're doing this podcast, like I want everybody to comment and tell me your thoughts, tell me what you feel like, tell me what you think. Like if me wrong, me wrong. You see what I'm saying? Like, and just come on positive vibes, guys. Positive vibes. As I say, everybody entitled to them own opinion, whether it is good or it is bad, but no negative vibes. Positive vibes. Your opinion is positive, good. Everything is good. And yeah, mate, we try to live as one nation. Like, it's not easy to live as one nation, like, but we as the younger generation, we have to put the past behind us and start think about the future. Don't teach your kids them about the same racial thing, because if we continue to teach our kids them about this, it's not gonna reach nowhere. It's gonna continue, it's not gonna dead. You see me? We have to teach our children the right way. They have to know where they come from. All of this slavery, all of this, all of that. Bam, bam, bam. Yeah, know where you're coming from. But at the same time, know where you want to go. Know where you want to reach. Don't live in the past.